Once upon a time, there was a playful boy named Monu. One day, near the forest, he met a bright red talking parrot. "I am Chatur, the clever parrot," it said. "I need help. A big problem has happened." Monu asked, "What happened?" The parrot explained that the jungle's golden mango had been stolen. If they don't find it, the magical rain of the forest will stop. Monu said, "Let's go. Detective Monu is ready." They searched through the jungle, suspected the monkeys, suspected the elephants, but everyone was innocent. Finally, inside a dark cave, they found the real thief, Lazy Bear. The bear said, "I was hungry. I took it as a joke." Monu said, "Stealing is never a joke. Return it." The bear apologized and returned the mango. Magical rain began again. Animals danced happily, and the parrot saluted Monu. "You saved the jungle." Monu smiled. Teamwork makes everything possible. Moral: honesty and courage always win.